Good morning. Hello, how are you? Welcome, my dear little children. Hope that you all are there present and ready to attend today's class. See, I am ready. Are you all ready? Let me just check. Yes, almost all everybody is there. But what has happened in your eyes? I can see somebody is still rubbing the eyes. What has happened? There is a sleep in your eyes. Okay, so आप सब बच्चों को लगता है मुझे नींद बहुत सताती है. Getting up early in the morning is difficult task for you. Oh, okay. Just let me think. Yes, I have a medicine for you. Using this medicine, your sleep that is there in the eyes will vanish just like that. So are you all ready? So let's begin. Come on, आपको मेरी तरह करना है. Okay, you have to repeat it after me. Okay, and then your sleep will be vanished, right? And you will feel happy and cheerful just like me. Ready? So come on. 1, 2, giggloo. Come on, do it to yourself. 1, 2, giggloo. 3, 4, touch the floor. 3, 4, touch the floor. Very good. 5, 6, lick your lips. 5, 6, lick your lips. Come on. 5, 6, lick your lips. 7, 8, stand straight. Come on. 7, 8, stand straight. 9, 10, laugh again. 9, 10, laugh again. Now this time something different. 9, 10, clap again. Come on, clap for yourself. Very good. So let us do it one more time. Okay? एक बार हमने स्पून एक मेडिसिन खा लिया है. Now we need the second dose. Come on, the second dose. Loudly and excitedly we will do it. 1, 2, giggloo. 1, 2, giggloo. 3, 4, touch the floor. 3, 4, touch the floor. 5, 6, lick your lips. 5, 6, lick your lips. 7, 8, stand straight. 7, 8, stand straight. 9, 10, come on, clap again. Yes. Now you all can see something. See, now the sleep that was there in the eyes, it is vanished. Yes, it's a magic. So don't tell this secret to anyone. जब भी आपको नींद आए, आपको क्या करना है? जोर से, you have to start laughing, and then you will see the sleep that was disturbing you so much will vanish away. वो भी डर जाएगी. अरे what happened? This child is laughing. Come on, let's leave. So the sleep will leave you and won't disturb you again, right? So now you all are excited, happy and cheerful. No more the sleep is disturbing you. So let's start our today's work. So what we are going to do? Today we are going to complete the notebook exercises that we have done yesterday. Some exercises are left, right? So today we are going to complete those exercises, and at the same time we are, along with doing the exercises, we are going to learn something new that we every day do. So come on, everybody, now be ready with your notebook, pencil, eraser and some pencil colors. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and here it is. Come on, everybody is ready with their notebooks? Are you all ready? So let's start. Open the page, beta. Yesterday we have done 2 exercises, that is fill in the blanks and true false. So have you learned both the exercises? Hope that you have learned it. Great. So today we are going to do the second one, right? Just give me a sec, beta. And here we are going to do what? So first please write down today's date and classwork in the new page, in the next page, right? So what is today's date? Today's date is 21.7.20. Write down today's date and classwork at the top. After writing down the date and classwork, in the first line you are going to write down the heading. And the heading is exercise number D, question answer. Today we are going to do question answer from this chapter, Stone Soup. So please write down exercise number D outside the margin, and then inside in the first line you will write down QS, that is question. QS stands for question and A and S stands for answer, question answer. So hope that everybody has written. Now let's start writing the first question. So what is the first question? What did the villagers say to the young man? Question mark. What did the villagers say to the young man? So what is the meaning of this sentence? Can you tell me? What is the meaning of this question? The meaning of the question is that villagers ने क्या कहा था young man ने? Who are called as villagers? Who live in the village are called as villagers, right? So villagers ने क्या कहा था young man को when young man was asking for food? And the answer to this question is the villagers said to the young man to go away, right? Villagers said to the young man to go away. Villagers ने young man को कहा चले जाओ. What did they say? चले जाओ, go away. So children, now let me tell you, देखो question जब भी हम पूछते हैं बेटा तो वो almost all verb जो होता है, action word जो होते हैं वो present form में होते हैं. बट आंसर लिखने के टाइम में वो एक्शन वर्ड्स पास्ट फॉर्म में हो जाते हैं. जैसे यहाँ क्वेश्चन में देखो क्या लिखा है, विलेजर्स ने क्या कहा था यंग मैन से, कहा था, राइट, कहा, क्या कहा यंग मैन से. और आंसर में क्या हो गया, से का पास्ट टेंस क्या हो गया, सेड. द पास्ट टेंस ऑफ से इज सेड. विलेजर्स ने कहा था यंग मैन से कि चले जाओ, राइट. So please write down the first question. What did the villagers say to the young man? What is the meaning of young? I told you yesterday. The meaning of young is जवान, नौजवान, है ना? So the answer is the villagers said to the young man to go away. What is the meaning of go away? चले जाओ. Okay, one more thing children, you need to remember this. Always when you start a sentence, you have to start it with the capital letter. Can you see this? The question also, the first question also starts with the capital letter and the answer also starts with the capital letter. Right? So what's W is capital, the T is capital. Always you have to begin the sentence in capital letter. And at the end, after writing down the question, you have to put a question mark. And after writing down the answer, you have to put a full stop, right? So just put a question mark when you are writing the question and put a full stop at the end when you are writing down the answer. So please write it down, beta. What did the villagers say to the young man? The villagers said to the young man to go away. Done? Now let's see the second question. Okay. So the second question is, what did he take out of his bag? The question is, what did he take out of his bag? Young man ने अपने बैग से क्या निकाला? Young man ने अपने बैग से क्या निकाला? Can you tell me the answer of this question? Yes, you are correct. So the answer is, he took out a shiny stone from his bag. He took out a shiny stone from his bag. उसने अपने बैग से एक शाइनी स्टोन निकाला. उसने एक शाइनी स्टोन निकाला अपने बैग से. Right? So what did he take out of his bag? Question mark. And the answer is, he took out a shiny stone from his bag. Full stop. Right? So here again, beta, you can just have a look that when we start the question again, I'm saying this to you that you have to start in capital letter. And when you write the answer, again it's a new sentence, so you have to begin it with a capital letter. Okay? So here again you can see, what did he take? उसने क्या लिया? बैग में क्या निकाला बैग से? और आंसर में क्या हो जाएगा? टेक का देखो पास्ट टेंस क्या हो गया? पास्ट फॉर्म took. The past tense of take is took. The past tense of take is took. So he took out a shiny stone from his bag. उसने निकाला था एक shiny stone अपने बैग से. Right? You know, everybody knows the meaning of shiny. As I said, something which is very bright, right? चमकता हुआ, right? What is the meaning of stone? Everybody knows the meaning of stone. Patthar, right? And what is the meaning of bag? You all know, right? When you come to school, you carry your books and your lunch box in the bag, right? He is used for a boy, okay? And she is used for a girl. कोई लड़का होता है तो हम उसको ही बोलते हैं. He is a boy. अगर कोई लड़की होती है तो हम गर्ल के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? ही नहीं यूज करते. गर्ल के लिए she यूज करते हैं. राइट? So what did he take out of his bag? He took out a shiny stone from his bag. Done? Very good. Now let's do the third question. What is the third question? What was the soup really made of? What was the soup really made of? सूप really किस चीज का बना हुआ था? रियल में, झूठ मूठ का नहीं. झूठ मूठ का तो नाम उसका दे दिया था स्टोन सूप. क्या वो स्टोन का बना हुआ सूप था? No, it wasn't made of stone, right? So what was the soup really made of? रियल में, असलियत में वो किस चीज का सूप था? Vegetables, right? And what were, which all vegetables were there in the soup? So the answer is, the soup was made of water, comma, cabbage, comma, potatoes, comma, beans, comma, salt and pepper. Full stop. So soup was made of water, cabbage, potatoes, beans, salt and pepper. इतनी चीजें, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 things were used to make that stone soup, right? So water was used to make the soup. Then in that boiling water, cabbage was added. After the cabbage, potatoes were added. After potatoes, beans were added to this. And then to give it little more taste, salt and pepper was also added in the soup. So can you tell me what is the meaning of pepper? This word P-E-P-P-E-R, pepper. Pepper means kali mirch. Pepper means kali mirch, right? Salt, salt, everybody knows salt is what is the meaning of salt? S-A-L-T? Salt means namak, right? S-A-L-T, salt means namak. Soup, as I said, it's a dish, a recipe that is generally made with vegetables or any other stockings like chicken or any other thing can also be used to make a liquid soup. It is basically a very proteinous dish which is generally consumed by everyone of all age. What is the meaning of made? M-A-D-E, made, banaya. Made means banna, make, made, right? Okay. What is the meaning of cabbage? C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. The meaning of cabbage is patta gobi, right? आप खाते हैं ना cabbage? Okay, can you tell me what is the meaning of potatoes? P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. Potatoes, I guess everybody knows. Potatoes means aloo. Yes. B-E-A-N-S, beans means? Beans पता है ना? चाइनीज़ डिशेस में बीन्स हम डालते हैं. बीन्स की सब्जी भी बनाती होंगी मम्मा कभी. ग्रीन, इट इज़ अ ग्रीन looking like a stick. It looks like a small sticks, right? So that is called as beans, right? Okay, salt and pepper, I already told you the meaning of it, right? So what was the soup really made of? The soup was made of water, cabbage, potatoes, beans, salt and pepper. So please complete your work. And don't forget, after writing each answer, you are going to draw the lines like this. See, मैंने हर आंसर कंप्लीट करने के बाद लाइन ड्रॉ की है ना. सो यू आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू डू द सेम. अगर थर्ड क्वेश्चन आपका सेम पेज में नहीं आएगा बेटा तो आप नेक्स्ट पेज में लिखेंगे. ओके. इफ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन doesn't get adjusted in the same page, you will continue it in the next page. So let's once again just read out the question. Question 1 is, what did the villagers say to the young man? And the answer is, the villagers said to the young man to go away. Question 2 is, what did he take out of his bag? Answer is, he took out a shiny stone from his bag. Question 3. What was the soup really made of? The soup was made of water, cabbage, potatoes, beans, salt and pepper. Everybody has done? Now let's do the next exercise, right? So please write down date and classwork in the next page. Write down today's date and classwork in the next page. Today's date is 21.7.20 and write down classwork. After doing this, in the first line you are going to write down the heading, that is make sentence, right? Exercise E, make sentence. What is the meaning of make sentence? वाक्य बनाइए. Make sentence means वाक्य बनाइए, right? So let's make some sentences. What to do in this? बेटा I will give words here. मैं आपको, आपने जो ये स्टोरी स्टोन सूप की पढ़ी है इसमें से मैं कुछ आपको words दूंगी, right? And with those words you have to make sentence. Like if I tell you to make a sentence with the word book, so आप book से क्या बना सकते हैं? I have a book, right? So same way I am going to give you some words, right? So I will give 2 words to you. The first word is S-O-U-P, soup. So can you make a sentence with soup? See, I have made one sentence. मैंने एक sentence बनाया है. क्या बनाया मैंने? I like tomato soup. I like tomato soup. तो आपको क्या, आप ज़रूरी नहीं कि आपको यही लिखना है, एक ही सेंटेंस बन सकता है। सूप वर्ड से तो हम बहुत सारे सेंटेंसेस बना सकते हैं। लाइक कैन यू टेल मी सम मोर सेंटेंसेस? Like what we can make through the word soup? I drink soup, right? My mother made tomato soup, or my mother made manchow soup, right? Soup is very tasty, right? So these all sentences you can make from the word soup. डोंट फॉरगेट बेटा, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस, जैसा अभी मैंने क्वेश्चन आंसर में भी आपको बताया, व्हेन यू आर स्टार्टिंग द सेंटेंस हैज टू बिगिन विथ कैपिटल लेटर, द सेंटेंस मस्ट बिगिन विथ कैपिटल लेटर, एंड एट द एंड बेटा यू हैव टू पुट अ full stop, right? And at the end you have to put a full stop, right? एंड जिस वर्ड को आपने जब ये सेंटेंस में यूज किया है, लाइक यहाँ सूप यूज किया है, सो यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन द वर्ड सूप, राइट? अंडरलाइन द वर्ड सूप. I like tomato soup. So here you will underline that word, that in this sentence where you have used the word soup, कहाँ आपने यूज किया है, हाँ, उसे आपको अंडरलाइन करना है. Everybody is doing it. Come on, chill, 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 pill. Pill, chill, 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 pill. Do it fast. Now, let's do the second. Let's now read out the second word. So, can you tell me what is the second word? W-A-T-E-R. What it is? Water. W-A-T-E-R, water, pani, right? So can you make a sentence with the word water? See, I have made one sentence. We should save water. We should save water. हमें पानी बचाना चाहिए, पानी हमें खर्च अननेसेसरी नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें पानी वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. So मैंने जैसा आपको बताया that not necessary that you have to make only this sentence with the word water. Water से हम क्या और बना सकते हैं? I am drinking water, I drink water, we should not waste water, right? There is some water in my bottle, there is some water in the glass, right? And we should save water. Water is life, right? We all need water. I give water to the plants, right? So these are sentences we can make using the word water. Don't forget that you have to start the sentence with the capital letter and end with a full stop. So just make these sentences, beta. Not necessary, again I am telling you that you have to make only this sentence. You can also make your own sentence, but just take this thing, but just you have to take care of this thing that this sentence should be grammatically correct. बस grammatically sentence correct होना चाहिए, right? So come on now, do your work fast. So after completing the work, you have to draw the line so that it gives an impression that you have completed your work, right? After completing our work, we should always draw the line. Make this our habit, right? So hope that everybody has done by now. Yes, everybody has done it. Great. So children, have you all completed the work or not? Yes, I am sure that you all have completed your work. You all are very very fast because हमने तो नींद को भी भगा दिया था ना, तो अब तो नींद ने आपको परेशान भी नहीं किया होगा और आपने अपना काम भी जल्दी 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 कर लिया होगा, लाइक वो सुपर राइटर, राइट? सो children, now what you are supposed to do after completing the work? You have to learn these question answers and make sentence, right? आपको ये क्वेश्चन आंसर को बाय हार्ट करना है और लिख लिख कर प्रैक्टिस करना है. प्लीज़ लर्न द स्पेलिंग्स टू, राइट? क्योंकि ये एक बार आप लर्न करोगे तो ये लर्निंग्स तो एक बार की नहीं रहेगी, हमेशा के लिए आपको याद हो जाएगा ये वर्ड्स, राइट? और आपके दिमाग में हमेशा के लिए लॉक हो जाना चाहिए. क्या हो जाना चाहिए? लॉक हो जाना चाहिए, राइट? दिमाग से कभी नहीं निकलने चाहिए ये वर्ड्स, राइट? तभी तो आप बड़े होंगे एंड इंटेलिजेंट बनेंगे, है ना? जब हम पढ़ेंगे लिखेंगे तभी तो होंगे कामयाब. सो चिल्ड्रन, नाउ इट्स टाइम to end today's session, right? Tomorrow children, it's holiday, it's Wednesday, so it's a great opportunity for you to complete all your pending work. If any work is left, please complete it. जो आपने अभी तक learn नहीं किया है, learn करो and complete all your pending work. We are going to meet again on Thursday, right? And yes, अभी से मैं एक सरप्राइज बताऊं आपके लिए. थर्सडे को मैंने कुछ स्पेशल प्लान किया है और वो तो अभी नहीं बताऊंगी. थर्सडे को मॉर्निंग 8 o'clock वी आर गोइंग टू मीट एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू रिवील what is my special plan for you. Okay, so just do your work, complete the work, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.